Hello everyone. Welcome to English Speak with me. Don't just watch, speak with me. Repeat every sentence after me. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Learning English is not difficult if you follow the right method. The key is daily practice and consistency. Today's topic: how to avoid fear while speaking English. Many people feel afraid when speaking English, but this fear can be overcome with the right mindset and regular practice. The main reason for fear is the worry about making mistakes or being judged by others. To avoid this fear, it is important to understand that mistakes are a natural part of learning. Instead of thinking about perfection, focus on communication. Start by speaking simple sentences in your daily life, even if you speak alone. Practice in front of a mirror, talk to yourself, or record your voice to build confidence. Listening to English daily also helps you feel more comfortable with the language. Another important step is to stop translating from your native language and start thinking directly in English. Surround yourself with English content like videos, songs, and conversations. Most importantly, stay patient and consistent. Confidence does not come in one day, but with daily effort, your fear will slowly disappear. Remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. Today, we will practice real-life English conversation together. Today, I met my friend at a cafe. I greeted him and asked how he was doing. He said he was fine but a little busy with work. I asked him what he had been doing lately, and he told me he was working on a new project. We ordered coffee and started talking about our daily routines. He asked me about my English learning, and I told him that I practice every day by speaking, listening, and watching videos. He appreciated my effort and said that consistency is the key to success. Before leaving, we decided to meet again soon and continue our conversation. It was a simple but meaningful interaction. After leaving the cafe, I kept thinking about our conversation. It made me feel more confident and motivated to improve my English. When I reached home, I decided to follow his advice seriously. I started practicing speaking in front of a mirror and tried to express my thoughts in English. Later in the evening, I also wrote a few sentences about my day in English. This helped me remember new words and improve my sentence formation. I realized that small daily habits can make a big difference over time. The next day, I sent a message to my friend in English and tried to continue our conversation. He replied and encouraged me again. This made me feel happy and more confident. Now, I try to speak English whenever I get the chance. I understand that real-life conversations are the best way to learn and improve. Step by step, I am becoming more comfortable and fluent. This experience taught me that learning English becomes easy when we practice daily and stay consistent.